Hello viewers, I Muhammad Abdul Habib welcome you all to our channel Habib Sir Classes. In this video, we'll be discussing Unit 3, Chapter 3, Accounting for Not-for-Profit Organizations. Here is the problem, page number 124, question number 2. From the following details, prepare receipts and payments account of Officers Club for the year ended 31st March 2020. So ये प्रॉब्लम में अपने को क्या बनाना है? रिसीट्स एंड पेमेंट्स अकाउंट बनाना है. किसका बनाना है? ऑफिसर्स क्लब वालों का बनाना है. कब के लिए बनाना है? 31st March 2020. So here is the question. Here is the solution. The heading will be taken as Receipts and Payments Account of Officers Club for the year ended 31st March 2020. And the format for Receipts and Payments account is Receipts amount rupees, payment amount rupees. Towards extreme left will be writing DR debit and towards extreme right will be writing CR credit. So जो पैसे आ रहे वो रिसिप्ट्स में बताना है, जो पैसे जा रहे वो पेमेंट्स में बताना है. So first it is given as opening cash in hand 1,400, opening cash at bank 3,400. Opening balance will always be shown on receipt side as to balance brought down. Here it will be shown as to balance brought down cash bank. So opening balance of cash कितना है? 1,400. Opening balance of bank कितना है? 3,400. So cash will be taken as 1,400. Bank will be taken as 3,400. Then after opening balance, we have subscriptions received 25,000. So subscriptions received में अपने को पैसे आ रहे हैं. It will be shown as receipt. So receipt में लिखेंगे two subscriptions 25,000. So यहाँ पे आके receipts में बताएंगे two subscriptions. Amount will be taken as 25,000. Then after subscriptions, we have donations collected 7,000. So donations collected में फिर पैसे आ रहे हैं. It will be shown as receipts. Two donations 7,000. यहाँ पे लिखेंगे two donation 7,000. And after donations, we have honorarium paid 6,000 rupees. So as we are paying, it is a payment. It will be shown on payment side as by honorarium 6,000 rupees. Payments में बताएंगे by honorarium. The amount will be taken as 6,000 rupees. And after honorarium, we have rent paid 3,000 rupees. Again, it is a payment. It will be shown on payment side as by rent 3,000 rupees. And after rent, we have tournament expenses 1,000 rupees. So as we are paying, it is a payment. Tournament expenses हम pay कर रहे हैं, तो वो payment है, तो उसको payment में बताएंगे by tournament expenses 1,000 rupees. Tournament expenses के बाद we have shares purchase 5,000 rupees. So as we are purchasing shares, we are making the payment. So it will be a payment. It will be shown on payment side as buy shares 5,000 rupees. Buy shares purchased 5,000 rupees. And after shares purchase, we have entrance fees received 2,600 rupees. So as we are receiving, it is a receipt. It will be shown on receipt side as two entrance fees 2,600 rupees. Entrance fees 2,600. And after entrance fees, we have paid for internet connection 1,500 rupees. So as we are making the payment, it is a payment. It is a payment. It will be shown on payment side as by internet connection 1,500 rupees. By internet connection 1,500 rupees. Then after internet connection, we have electricity charges 500 rupees. So as we are paying electricity charges, it will be a payment. It will be shown on payment sheet as by electricity charges 500 rupees. By electricity charges 500 rupees. Then after electricity charges, we have repairs and maintenance 400 rupees. Again, it is a payment. It will be shown on payment sheet as by repairs and maintenance. The amount is 400 rupees. So it will be shown as by repairs and maintenance 400 rupees. And after repairs and maintenance, we have stationery 500 rupees. So it is a payment. It will be shown on payment sheet as by stationery 500 rupees. By stationery 500 rupees. And after stationery, we have postage 1000 rupees. So as we are paying for postage, it will be a payment. It will be shown on payment sheet as by postage 1000 rupees. By postage 1000 rupees. After postage, we have dinner expenses 1500 rupees. So again, it is a payment. It will be shown on payment sheet as by dinner expenses 1500 rupees. And after dinner expenses, we have cash in hand at the end 4000 rupees. So closing balance will always be shown on credit side as by balance C by D. By balance C by D. So as we had opening balance for cash and bank, similarly we'll be showing closing balance of cash and bank. So here the closing balance of cash in hand is given as 4000. So first the value of closing balance of cash will be shown as 4000 rupees. So now we need to find the closing balance of bank. So how we'll be finding the closing balance for bank? First we'll be doing the total on both the sides. First we'll be doing the total of receipts followed by the total of payments. So here is the total for receipts 20, 25 plus 3, 28 plus 1, 29,000 plus 7, 36,000 plus 2, 38,000 plus 1, 39,000 plus 400, 39,400. So the total on receipt side is 39,400 followed by the total of payment side. 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 1, 16 plus 1, 17 plus 1, 18 plus 1, 19 plus 1, 20 plus 4, 24 plus 400, 24,400. The total on receipt side is 39,400, whereas the total on payment side is 24,400. So receipts का total 39,400 है, पेमेंट का टोटल 24,400 है. इन दोनों में कौन सा टोटल ज्यादा है? 39,400 ज्यादा है. So the highest total of these two will be recorded on both the sides. 39,400 will be recorded on receipt side as well as 39,400 will be recorded on payment side. Now subtracting 24,400 from 39,400. So 400 minus 400, it becomes 0. 39 minus 24, it will be 15,000. So the balance of the closing balance of bank is 15,000, which can be shown on opposite side as opening balance. यहाँ पे हम उसको दोबारा ओपनिंग बैलेंस बताएंगे. टू बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन कैश बैंक. यहाँ पे ओपनिंग बैलेंस कितना, जो भी क्लोजिंग बैलेंस था वो सेम वापस दोबारा ओपनिंग बैलेंस हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे क्लोजिंग बैलेंस ऑफ कैश कितना था? 4000. सो इट विल बिकम ओपनिंग बैलेंस ऑफ कैश एज 4000. फिर क्लोजिंग बैलेंस ऑफ बैंक कितना था? 15,000. सो इट विल बिकम ओपनिंग बैलेंस ऑफ बैंक एज 15,000. सो रिसिप्ट एंड पेमेंट्स बनाए कैसा? हम जो भी पैसे आ रहे हैं वो रिसिप्ट्स में लिखे, जो भी पैसे जा रहे हैं हम वो पेमेंट्स में लिखे. क्लोजिंग बैलेंस ऑफ बैंक हम कैसा फाइंड करें? फर्स्ट विल बी डूइंग द टोटल ऑफ रिसिप्ट्स फॉलोड बाय द टोटल ऑफ पेमेंट्स. जो भी टोटल हाईएस्ट रहेगा वो दोनों तरफ लिखेंगे और जो स्मॉल वैल्यू रहेंगी वो हाईएस्ट वैल्यू में से सब्ट्रैक्ट होंगी. एंड रिमेंबर द पॉइंट दैट व्हेनेवर वी डू द बैलेंसिंग फॉर रिसिप्ट्स एंड पेमेंट्स अकाउंट, द टोटल ऑफ रिसिप्ट्स विल ऑलवेज बी मोर देन द टोटल ऑफ पेमेंट्स. जब कभी भी हम रिसिप्ट्स एंड पेमेंट्स का प्रॉब्लम करेंगे, जब भी इसकी बैलेंसिंग करना रहेगा, हमेशा रिसिप्ट्स का टोटल पेमेंट्स के टोटल से ज्यादा आएगा. उसकी वजह क्या है? इंसान के पास या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के पास जितना पैसा है उसके अंदर खर्च होगा या उसके बराबर खर्च होगा. उससे ज्यादा खर्च नहीं कर सकते। होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द टॉपिक। सी यू ऑल इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो। थैंक यू।